Can you see yourself in the 2019 GMC Terrain? With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, fog lamps, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, seat memory, trip computer, power windows,